Hello everyone! In today's fast-paced hiring environment, recruiters and HR teams handle hundreds, sometimes thousands of resumes. Manually reviewing each CV is time-consuming, inefficient, and prone to errors. But what if we could automate the entire process from CV submission to structured data extraction using AI-powered automation? That's exactly what we've built with N8N. Imagine this. A candidate uploads their resume via a Google form, and within seconds, their CV is stored in Google Drive, and the link is recorded in Google Sheets. But we don't stop there. Using AI-powered tools like OpenAI and information extractors, our workflow analyzes the document, extracting key details like name, email, phone number, qualifications, job history, skills, and more, and seamlessly organizes them into a structured format. This means zero manual data entry, faster shortlisting, and a streamlined hiring process. Recruiters get structured, AI-analyzed data at their fingertips. In this video, we'll walk you through how this automation works step by step. Let's revolutionize recruitment with smart automation. So here is the structure of overall workflow. Now let's build it from scratch. Firstly, you need to create a Google form and connect them with Google Sheet. Here I have already created the form and connect them with this Google Sheet for responses. Here, if anyone fill up the form, the PDF is stored in Drive and their link is stored in Google Sheet. Here we have created the another sheet in Google Sheet. This contains following fields like name, email, phone, qualification, job history, skills, score, and justification. Basically, this sheet is for storing the analyzed content from the CV. Now next move to the automation part. Here firstly you have to add a Google Sheet row added trigger node. This node is basically for analyze the new row when added. Here you have to connect your Google account by clicking on Create a new credentials and select the document and sheet. Now next is to add a limit module. This module is basically for limiting the number of rows from the sheet. Here we have selected the max 1 items from the last of the sheet. Now next is to add a Google Drive upload a file module. This module is basically for downloading the CV. Here you have to generate the client ID and client secret from Google Cloud Platform, and after that log in with any of your account. After that, select the file by ID and grab the URL, and splitting this URL for grabbing the sheet ID. Now next is to add an extract from file node, and select for extract from PDF. This node is for extracting all the content from the PDF. Now here you have to add an information extractor node. Basically, this node is for extracting the following information from text like name, email, and phone number. Here pass the text, and here we have using this JSON schema for extracting the content. Here we are using Google Gemini chat model for extracting the information. For using Gemini, you have to generate an Gemini API key from aistudio.google.com. Here you see the Get API Key section. Click on it. After that, click on Create API Key. I have already created it. Just copy it. Click on Create New Credentials and paste the API key there. And select the Gemini 2.0 Flash model. And here you have to add another node, which is OpenAI Message a model node. Here you have to generate the OpenAI API key from platform OpenAI.com, which I was discussed in previous videos. This node basically extracts the information from the field like job history, qualification, score, and justification. Here select the model. Pass the generated text from the CV and write this system message. Now next is to add a set node. This node is for set the fields. Here set the field name to this, and here pass the content. Now next is to add code node. This node basically rearranges all the content in different variables like qualification, job history, score, and justification. Here we are using this code for rearrange the content. Now next is to add merge node. This node basically merging and combining all the outcomes. Here change the mode to combine and combine by to all possible combination. Here connect the information extractor node with this node. Now final is to add Google Sheet append a row node. Here select the same document and that sheet where the fields are set which are discussed above. Here pass all the fields from their corresponding fields. Here we have created a workflow successfully. Now it's time to test the workflow. First, we need to fill up the form with basic details and upload the CV in PDF file and submit the form. After that in Workflow, click on Test Workflow. Here you see the workflow is executing. Now you see the workflow is executed successfully. Now it's time to check whether the information is stored in Sheet or not. Here you see the form data sheet which contains a drive link. And in another sheet, here you see all the information is stored in Sheet. So this is the power of this powerful CV automation. And just like that, we've transformed a time-consuming, manual CV review process into a seamless, AI-powered automation. With N8N, Google Drive, Google Sheets, and AI models, we've automated everything from CV submission to structured data extraction, saving time, reducing errors, and making recruitment smarter. Now, it's your turn. Would you like to implement this automation in your workflow? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation insights and tutorials. Stay tuned for more game-changing tech solutions. See you in the next one.